Hello, thanks very much for purchasing our product. We can't thank you enough. We're a small business. I wanted to give you a little background. We're pretty heavy sleepers in our house, and there are magnets out there on the marketplace, but you can't mount them to a standard steel bed frame. They all use screws and adhesive tapes. So I came up with this invention, this idea to where you can mount this anywhere along a bed frame. It's a magnet mounted to a bracket, super easy to install. I'm going to show you how. First, you want to slide, we recommend 2 people, slide your mattress off the bed. Of course, you've already taken your sheet and whatnot off. If you have a skirt, you can just flip it up. Now, you do not need to take your headboard off. It's just off for this video. You do not need to take it off. So slide your mattress over. Probably best to just slide it all the way off and tilt it up, get it out of the way. That way you don't have that extra weight on your box spring. Then you'll come back and you want to take this and make sure this screw is backed all the way out counterclockwise. And then maybe just turn it a little bit so this cup still wiggles in here. Now you'll notice this lip. That's going to be installed first. You want to take the magnet side with the screw assembly facing down. So what you want to do is lift up your box spring, okay, and just kind of shimmy it out of the way, just so you can maybe put your hand, just so you have enough room. Okay, again, you're going to grab it this way. We're going to tilt it this way. There's a lip. You bring this lip in first, okay, up and then down. And then you just turn this assembly all the way till it's tight. We've designed this heavy duty, and once you tighten this, it's not going to go anywhere. We've tested it, pretty much becomes a part of the bed frame. Had to be heavy duty for safety. And then you take your firearm, safety check. This gun is not loaded, nothing in the chamber, not even a magazine for safety here. You mount it right here, okay? That's not going anywhere, all right? Now, we recommend mounting it right off where your arm's gonna hang over. And that way, seconds, you're right here. Whether you mount it with a round in the chamber or not is up to you. We can't stress enough safety, especially if you got little kids running around. We don't have kids in the house anymore, so I keep mine mounted all the time. Please use good judgment and exercise safety, please, especially if you have children. Now, when you remove this, we recommend just coming out like this versus trying to slide it up. If you slide it up, you might scratch things, and it's just a better way to come this way. Unfortunately, it won't work for revolvers because you don't have enough contact surface. Technically, you could do a revolver and mount it this way, but then you've got it protruding. But again, use good judgment. You can store extra magazines if you'd like. Of course, you'd have to get a few more brackets or knives, or just keep in mind, flat surfaces are best. So if you could give us a rating back on Amazon, or we've got a QR code here in the paperwork. It'll take you to our Instagram and another QR to Facebook. And really, sincerely, we can't thank you enough for your order. Thank you very much. Safety.